Hey guys, my name is Anwar. I'm from the country Belize in Central America, and I'm currently a bioenvironmental systems engineer student in National Taiwan University. So today we are at Little Palm Boulevard, one of my favorite roads here in NTU. I came across it in my first year and fell in love with it since then. And today I'll be talking to you guys a bit about my student life here in NTU, so join me for a tour. Alright, so right now we're in the environmental chemistry lab. It's one of the labs of my department, and I've been in here one semester. It's one of those classes that I have to, of course, do with my classmates, spend time with them and stuff. And one thing I can say about my classmates and my faculty, they never made me feel out of place. My first semester, like I told you guys, I had to study a lot. If I ever needed help to have something explained, if there was homework I didn't understand, I could go to my classmates, and if I had to, I could have gotten support from the TAs. The TAs were always willing to help me as well. Like if I wanted to schedule office hours, they were there. And my professors were as understanding as they could be. Like realistically, if I'm in a major, if I apply for a major that is in Chinese, I knew that I also have to put in the work. But because my professors understood that it's not something easy, they were also willing to provide me extra help to understand the material, which is where the TAs came in. I have a pretty nice relationship with my dean. He helped me out looking for internships. So yeah, I think that on a whole, I've had very supportive classmates and very supportive professors. My first internship was done at the Ministry of Science and Technology's Center for Global Affairs and Science Engagement here in Taiwan. As an intern there, I got to assist in coordinating their Global Talent Internship Program, which is a program where foreigners from outside Taiwan get to come to Taiwan and work in different labs and companies. So I assisted in contacting the interns, writing certain reports, also doing some social media posts. So one of the most important aspects of the GTI program was I was divided into artificial intelligence and green tech. So for example, I got to go to a lab that they were working on AI for the Olympics, as in that the robots were being trained to play sports or do like lifting weights. So I got to see a robot kick a ball, I got to see a robot deadlift, which was pretty cool. And on the green tech side, I got to go to a company called Enercon, which works with wind turbines here in Taiwan, and I learned a lot more about the wind energy industry here. And I got a super amazing experience of being able to climb one of the wind turbines, and I think it's one of those experiences that I'll never forget here in Taiwan. For an aspect of inside school, I am part of what is called the NTUI Student Ambassadors. So the Student Ambassadors assist the Office of International Affairs with different tasks. So we basically represent the school when we have visitors. And also, apart from these tasks that they assign to us, we also get to attend different workshops to help us learn stuff like, for example, etiquette, work balance, things that as an engineering student here at NTU, I don't think my major would have given me. And I'm super grateful for the student ambassadors because that taught me certain skills that I got to apply to my internships. And one of my longest jobs, I would say, or part-time jobs that I've had here is teaching English at a cram school. I started it when I just started NTU, and I thought it would have been an interesting experience, and it was. I got to love it, and every time I just got other kids, and I think my kids have taught me a lot on, of course, patience, but also how to better articulate what I want to say, how to make people understand me better, which I have also used in the workforce. And also within school, I'm currently just a member of the Laticari Association, the Latino Caribbean Association here in NTU. Okay, so here we have my friend Esteban. And I met Esteban my first year when I was studying Chinese at NTNU, and we're both MOFA scholars. And Esteban is currently the president of the Laticari Association here at NTU, and he's gonna talk a bit about it and himself.
Thank you, Anwar. Anwar was also one of the founders of the Latino Student Association. We receive all the students coming from Latin America or the Caribbean, and we try to support them with any problems they have here at NTU, and just try to make them feel at home here at NTU.
I do think that my time in TAIDA has shaped me into the person I am today, to a person that I know what I want. My advice for anyone who comes here is just to come here with a curious mind, with hungry ambition, to want to see what TAIDA has to offer, to see what Taiwan has to offer, but also for you to learn from what you get into. For me personally, I think that NTU will always have a special place in my heart. It's that place where I figured out a lot of things about myself. Alright, thank you guys for listening to the video, to listening to my story, my experiences here, how I've grown. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys liked the video, like and comment. Bye-bye.